Hello guys, in this tutorial we are going to see how to do simple commit. So in the last tutorials we have seen that how to create a repository and how to add your files. So in this tutorial we are again going to create a repository on our local system. We will not be creating the repository on Git. So the basic purpose of this tutorial is to show how to do a simple commit after making some changes. So what we will do is that first we will create a new project. That means I'll be creating a new folder. Now I'm going into this new project. So I have created my new project. So first what I will do is that for this project I'm going to create a local Git repository. So it will be Git init. So this will create a local Git repository. And we know in the last tutorials we have seen that how to create an online Git repository and how to connect this local Git repository to that online Git repository. But in this tutorial we are not going to do that. So now we have created our local Git repository. So we will make some changes in this repository and then we will do a simple commit. We know that whatever we commit, actually we are sending our changes to our local Git repository. So for this we are going to create a simple text file as always. We are going to just write something. And then we are going to save it. So we can see that this is what we have written in this file. So first we will have to tell our local Git repository that we have something to commit, because we can make many changes but only some of them we can commit. So first we will have to tell our Git what are the changes that we really want to commit. So this stays we use git add. So after git add, if we write dot, then it will tell Git that all the changes is going to be committed when we will write git commit. But if we write the name of the file, then only changes in that file will be committed. So here, since we have made only one change, so it will not make any difference. But we will write it like this. So we have staged this change for commit. So now this is the real part of this tutorial, how to commit this. So the simple thing is git commit, and then if you press enter, so this will commit it. So if you press enter, so it will open the file, and you can see here that there is command prompt, and we are expected to write something. So what do we have to write here? Actually whatever we will write here will be actually the heading of our change. So we will always want to know whenever we are committing, there should be some title like, okay, making these changes, adding some name, deleting this field. So there should be some title to our change. That is the thing that we have to write here. So we can just write here, okay, we didn't actually use I creating a new file escape. So this is the thing. Now we will see nothing to commit. So we have committed it. So that was the simplest way to commit your change. There are other ways also to commit your change. So now we are going to see that. So again we will make change in the same file. We are going to save this file. So this is the way. So this change that we have made, first we will have to stage it and then we will commit it. So again we can write git add and name of the file, and this way we will stage it. But then there is a shortcut. We can commit and stage at the same time. You know what is staging? Staging is actually telling our local Git repository or our local system that these are the changes that I am going to commit next time whenever I will write git commit. So it will tell, okay, if you're going to write next time git commit, so include me in that commit. So that is the purpose of git add. But we need not write git add and then git commit. We can include the commit and add process at the same time. That we can do like this: git commit minus a. But here it will include all the changes, but this is a shortcut. Again, now if we'll to the enter, it will again take us to the command prompt, and then we will have to write the title of the change. So we need not do that. There is a shortcut this way: minus m hyphen m. I always say that minus. Now we can write the title that will be shown on git finally whenever we will push it and do all these things. So this now here we will have to write the title of our change. So this. Now we'll see status. There is nothing to commit. So this is the simplest way of committing the changes. So now whatever changes that we have made in our local repository, local project, it is included into our local git repository. So the next stage will be sending these changes from our local git repository to the online git repository. But in our case, we don't even have an online git repository. So in the next tutorial, we will see, in between I will make the online git repository, and then we will see how can we push our changes from local git repository to the online git repository. Till then, have fun. Oh God.